order the values from least to greatest. Put the lowest numbers on the left. So pause this video and try to do that. All right, if you're doing this on Khan Academy, you could drag these things around, but it's good that I'm going to be able to write this out. So what I like to do is go look at our place value and start with the largest place values first. And so let's start with the 10,000s place. So we have 5 10,000s, 5 10,000s, and 7 10,000s. So this number on the right is definitely the largest. Now we want to go from least to greatest. So I'm going to put this on the right, 75,314. This is definitely the greatest. Now what's left, so we've used that one up. Now let's think about these two right over here. Now let's go to the thousands place. We both had 5 10,000s and we both have 7,000s. So not seeing a difference yet. Then we go to the hundreds place, 300s, 300s. Then we go to the tens place, 4 10s, 1 10. So this one over here is the smallest. And even if you look at it, if you just look at the number as a whole, it has the same number as 57,300. This one has 14, not 41. So this one is the smallest, 57,314. And then after that comes 57,341. And so 57,314 is less than 57,341, which is less than 75,314.